Hey, what up guys? John from Linkswell, and man, it has been a hot minute since I sat here and made a video, and I'm excited to get back into it. And today, I'm excited because we've had one thing that's been asked about for years, and that is, do you guys make a screen protector for your T-style radio? And we didn't. Well, now we do, and I'm gonna show you how our screen protector works, looks, and how it can help with your polarized sunglasses. That's what we're talking about. Let's do it. All right, guys, yes, I know, and to be real and honest with you, most people who manufacture phones don't actually make screen protectors. Someone else does. So that's pretty much what we did, is we sourced a company that makes screen protectors, and we worked with them so that they would make some that fit specifically for our radios. So if you have any of our 12-inch radios or our 13-inch Tacoma or any of our XL radios, we will have a screen protector for you right here in this pretty little package here. It's going to come with the protector. It's going to come with the things you need to clean the screen and all that and put it on. We'll actually do a video on how to install it in just a little bit. But what I wanted to do today is, one thing that technology is as technology grows, there's always going to be a conflict somewhere. And when it's always been with polarized sunglasses and LCD screens, some screens do not respond well with some polarized sunglasses, and not all polarized sunglasses are made equally. And so one big thing while driving, if you're wearing polarized sunglasses, it really sucks when our radio doesn't respond well with your polarized sunglasses. And again, this isn't all polarized sunglasses and it isn't all screens. It's just kind of the nature of things. So what we did while we were looking to create a screen protector, we wanted to find one that would do the most for that situation and being able to help polarized sunglasses. So hear me say this. We can, and I'm going to do a live demo. That's actually what this video is about, is I'm going to do a live demo showing how the screen protector helps with the polarized sunglasses and getting the image back on the screen. But let me say this, not all polarized sunglasses are created equal. Some of them will be different. So while we have done a lot of testing and found that this one does the biggest variety of polarized sunglasses, there are going to be a few that will just not work. If you're that dude, I'm sorry. I wish I could do more, but at this point right now, this is the best way that we can try and address the polarized sunglasses and our screen. So, yep. And then one more thing about the screen protector is it is crystal clear, which actually makes the screen more vibrant and actually makes the colors better and pop more. But it is not anti-glare. And anti-glare would actually make a frosted look to it, and it actually takes away from the quality of the image, and it doesn't help us with the polarized sunglasses. So when it came time for us to develop and test, we decided that the crystal clear for a better image and to help with the polarized sunglasses was a better decision than an anti-glare one. If you are the guys on the other camp that are saying we should have went with anti-glare, I apologize, but we did do our homework. We felt this was the best bet. My guess is you can probably still find an anti-glare screen protector that you can cut, but that's going to be on you. We decided this was the best bet. So there it is. Super easy to install, like any other screen protector. Clean the screen, stick it down. Like I said, we'll do a video in our Jeep here in just a little bit, but I do want to show you a working application in fixing polarized sunglasses on our radio. So let me grab our sunglasses. Let me grab our screen protector, and right behind me I have another camera looking at one of our radios, and I'm going to do my best to give you a live demo of how it works. Cool? So let's turn around. All right guys, so here is one of our XL screens sitting on my bench here. Don't mind the mess behind it. It is what it is. So let me go ahead. I got my sunglasses here. I'm going to attempt to place these sunglasses on my camera lens so that you can get an image of what happens when polarized glasses go. So you can see how, as the polarized glasses are there, it's a black screen. And if I was to take our screen protector and run it in front of the screen, you can see that as the screen protector comes, the image comes back. Now obviously the image is a bit darker because we are looking through darkening lenses, so the brightness will be lower. But you can see, if I was to remove this, it goes completely black again. If I bring it back, we should get some image back again, darker than not, but that is simply because we've got darker screens. So there you go, guys. That is a fix that is how you can fix your T-style screen if you're having issues with polarized sunglasses blacking out the screen. One last time, you may have the select few of the polarized lenses that it doesn't help, but even if you don't have polarized sunglasses, I would give a suggestion that you get one of these screen protectors, because it really does kind of brighten up that screen and it makes it almost look like a newer, higher end screen. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe it's a placebo effect on me. Maybe I've just been looking at my screen for so long that I feel like it's better, but I do feel like it's brighter. And I got polarized sunglasses, and so I'm a little happier now. I can wear my sunglasses and not have to like contort my head to see the screen. There you go, guys. Our new screen protectors, again, for our 12-inch and 13-inch and 15-inch screens. I apologize if you have a 10-inch screen at this point now. They can't make one for us. Maybe it comes out sooner, but the fact that we are pretty much getting rid of all 10-inch screens and bumping everything up to 12, I don't know that we will pay for the marketing or the marketing costs to get that started. Anyways, there you go. You can get your screen protector from any one of the Linkswell authorized dealers. Check out our website. You can see the part number. And there you go, guys. Super glad to be back. We'll see you guys in the next video.